Well, we just wanted to take an opportunity to brag on Texas Hardwood Flooring and Jesse DeOnda and his team. Our experience with them was fabulous. We had recently purchased a home and it had engineered flooring and carpet. My beautiful wife decided that she wanted to rip up the carpet and I wanted to part with the hardwood flooring that was already there. And Jesse and his team delivered a beautiful product. They were on budget and on time, and I can't brag on them enough.
I was very pleased with the crew. They were on time. They were very respectful. Every time I asked questions, they answered. They take their time. I show them the pictures of what I really want, and I'm very particular of what I want. And they look 30 seconds the pictures and I was amazed. They did exactly what I wanted, and this is exactly what I wanted. I am extremely pleased with Jesse, this crew, with all the work, the timing. We have a beautiful floor. It really look great, and I can be more pleased.
Thank you to Texas Hardwood Flooring and Jesse and his crew.
Thank you, Texas Hardwood Flooring and your crew.